Hey, I just wanted to show you guys how I made or what I like about this schedule that I made. So what I really like is that there are links for each thing that they need to do on the computer. So I linked right here for the meeting, and then I linked right here for this seesaw activity here and here. So I figured out how to get the link for the specific seesaw activity, and I can show you how to do that. You might already know, and then here I linked for Epic Books. This is kind of what I'm thinking for the first day. What I think would be really great for specials is if we had a link ahead of time and we could like put it in our daily schedule. So like Chelsea said, she's going to do a very short meeting on Monday with our kids. So like I could just put the link in right here and then the kids could click on it. So this took a little while to make, but I think that it was just because it was my first time. And then you can like, just duplicate the template and tweak it. So here I'll show you. So here in the activity, another thing that I love about Seesaw is that I recorded the directions so that people like the kids or parents, if they don't read English, can play the instructions. Okay, so that's that activity. So if I go to my class, so if I go to the scheduled activities that I have, so let's say I'm doing Tuesday's schedule and I want to get the link for the seesaw activity. So here is the activity for Tuesday. So rocking in my school shoes with Pete the cat. So what you want to do is go down to your best friend on Seesaw, which is the three dots. And then right here it says get student link. And you can just press on that. And then you copy the student link and there you have it. So anyway, I thought that's really cool. And I'm going to try to make that work and use it every day. Have each day have a daily schedule like that. So let me know what you guys think. If you want to use it, awesome. If you don't, I'm not going to be offended. Okay, bye.